Get ko agad ng prize. Hi!
Hello!
Come on, kids. Yung pinakamalakas bibigyan ko ng prize. Dapat lahat ng kids sasagot. Pag sinabi kong hi, sasabihin hello. Okay? Hi!
Hello!
Yung mas malakas, hi!
Hello!
Hello!
Hi!
Alright, kids. May nakita na akong pinakamalakas. At siya yan. Mami, mami. Ano yan? Ano po yung mami? Ito si mami. Sinabi ko na bibigay. Yes. Mami, say hi. Joke lang. Alright, kids. Our first game is what we go to bring me something. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, dadalhin nyo lang ipapadala ko. Pag sinabi ko magdala, dapat paunahan, okay? Pabilisan, okay? Okay, bring me or una-unahan makapagdala sa akin ng 5 piso. Go! 5 piso! Come on, go to your mommy! And get 5 pesos coin. 1, 2,
dalawa
yan! One more! Alright, we have a winner. Very good, we have a winner, but this time, kids, example game pa lang yun, ha? Sample pa lang yun, okay? So go to your mommy. Go to your mommy. Go to your mommy and daddy. This is the real one.